our today's topic on Indian spices. First, we take on look out some history about spices. Indian story of spices are around 7,000 year old. Some archaeologists discovered spices in Egyptian tombs around 3000 BC. Archaeological excavations have burnt cloth onto the floor of a kitchen dated to 1700 BC at the Mesopotamia. The spice trade development throughout South Asia and Middle East in around 2000 BC. Commonly spices which are trading these days are cinnamon and pepper in East Asia and herbs and pepper. The ancient Indian epic Ramayana mentions also cloves. It reveals that the history of Indian spices dates back to the beginning of human civilization. These charts show some important landmarks in the history of spices at a glance. Usage of spices in Vedic text around 6000 BC. Charak Susrut mentions the use of pepper in medicine. A Chinese envoy visited the Malabar coast in search of pepper, 1st century. China imports large quantity of pepper from Malabar coast and Java around 1200 AD. Scope and importance of spices. India has a diverse soil and climate and several agroecological regions which provide the opportunity to grow a variety of spices in India. It is low volume and high value crop. Spice crops play a unique role in India's economy by improving the income of the rural people. The spice production and cultivation is a very labor intensive, so generate lot of employment opportunities for the rural population. The demand of Indian spice is very much in other countries. Hence, we have very much scope to meet the demand by huge production. Spice can improve the palatability and the appeal of dull diets. Flavors stimulate salivation and promote digestion. Improve health by affecting the humors and moods, having antibacterial and preservative action. For example, pickles, the strong preservative quality of many spices made them ideal for embalming. Current status of spices in India. India, known as land of spices, largest producer, consumer and exporter of spices in world. China is second to India, second largest producer. Most of for the domestic products consumption, around 109 spices all over the world. India have 52 spices. Share of spices in total agriculture export around 6 to 8%. India is share of world spice trade 45 to 50% by volume and 25 to 30% by value. The first spice we study today, the common pepper, Capsicum annuum, species name, belongs to family Solanaceae, originate from South and Central America. Popular countries which grow pepper, China, Turkey, Nigeria, Mexico, Spain and USA. Fruits can widely vary in color, shape and size, both between and within species. Therefore, classification is very difficult. Mainly consist of 5 domesticated species and 26 wild species. The main 5 domesticated species are the following: Capsicum annuum, Baccatum, Chinese, Capsicum frutescens, Capsicum pubescens. This picture shows the Capsicum baccatum, Capsicum chinese, Capsicum frutescens, Capsicum pubescens, Capsicum annuum. We studied thoroughly it. The species include a wide variety of shapes and size of peppers, ranging from bell pepper to chili pepper. Some varieties are bell pepper, cassicable, annulum, alma paprika, bird's eye, Italian sweat pepper, cherry, fresno, Hungarian wax, pablano, pequin, peperoncini. These are some other varieties in diagrams. The basic environmental requirements for the pepper cultivation. Climatic requirements can cultivate throughout the year upon on the elevation of 1500 meter. Supplementary irrigation is required during the all season. Soil well drained, loamy soil. Optimum pH range is 5.5 to 6.8. Waterlogging conditions leads to retarded growth, so we check the waterlogging conditions must. Select an area without shade and well-drained soil. Prepare nursery beds. Apply compost 3 to 4 kg of the bed and mix well. Solarization should be done by burning paddy husk and bran on the bed. Then cover up the bed with a transparent polythene sheet for 2 weeks. Fungicides like Captain and Thyram can also be added. Seeds sow in row in 1 cm depth, leaving 10 to 15 cm space between each for easy management practices. Cover the seeds slightly with soil. Apply much material to cover up the bed. Mulches should be removed after 5 to 6 days. Seeds take 8 to 10 days to propagate. Shade should be provided to protect immature plants from heavy rainfall and sunlight. Plants should harden before establishing in the field by increasing the irrigation interval about 10 days. Keep the plants about 1 month in the nursery. Crop management during the cultivation. Irrigation. Early stage requirements are different to middle stage. In early stage, 4 to 5 days interval and middle stage once a week is sufficient. Irrigation requirements depends on the rainfall intensity. According to that, we irrigate the field. Irrigation before and after fertilizer application is essential. Water stress leads to the falling of the flowers and pods. Therefore, moisture conservation of soil is very essential. Weeding process. Manual weeding after 2, 4 and 8 weeks of transplanting is very necessary. Earthing up while weeding. Ensure the proper establishment in the field. Chemical weeding. After 2 days of transplanting, apply Alkalor. Pest and disease management is the most important part of the cultivation. Pests which most affect the pepper. Some are the thrips, mites, aphids, whitefly, pod borer. Disease which generally affect the pepper cultivation, pepper plant. Collar rot, seedling rot, anthracnose, bacterial wilt, leaf spot, narrow leaf disorder, leaf cull. Harvesting mostly done on a sunny day. Avoid harvesting on rainy days or fruits with water on its surface. Post-harvest technology. Transport as soon as after harvesting, packed in plastic boxes or porous covering. Aeration should be provided. Can store in the refrigerators also. Various types of usage of papers. Papers are used in various types. Salads, baked dishes, stuffed dishes, stews, salsa, decorative agent, pickles for stuffing and flavoring agent. As for these usage, some medicinal properties are also papers various varieties. That's for all today. Thanks students.